think with that, we swiftly move on to Slovakia. And again, with Slovakia, we will have 4 presentations presented by different speakers. And to kick off Slovakia, I invite Natalia Kraxner from the Alexander Dubek University of Trenčín. Natalia, welcome to the session. I'll share my screen so that you can take over.
Hello, everyone. Once again, my name is Natalia Kraxner. I'm from Department of Administration and European Projects at FunGlass. And today I'd like to present our FunGlass Center as a way to start your MSCA success story. FunGlass Center, what is it actually? It is a center for functional and surface functionalized glass. We are concerned primarily with basic and fundamental research. We do training. We do have a doctoral program in chemical engineering and technologies, in study program in organic technology and non-metallic materials. And we are involved in applied research and intersectional collaboration. FunGlass was established as Center of Excellence, and only after a few years we have been evaluated as one of the success stories and have ambition to become one of the leading scientific experts in the field of glass. We are located, next please. We are located in Trenčín in Slovakia. Trenčín is a town with population about 50,000 and good accessibility to other European capitals like Vienna, Budapest, Prague, or Warsaw. Next year we will be hosting the Capital of Culture. We are a university-embedded Center of Excellence with quasi-faculty status. Our research agenda is supervised by leading experts in the field of glass and ceramics research. First is our own Professor Galusek at Alexander Dubček University of Trenčín, then Professor Duran from SIG Madrid, then Professor Vondracek, FSU Jena, Professor Boccaccini, VU Erlangen-Nürnberg, and Professor Bernardo, University of Padova. We have 6 research departments supported by Department of Administration and Project Office. It is Department of Biomaterials, Department of Coatings, Functional Glass, Glass Processing, then Villa Department, and Department of Glass Analytics. Our main focus is on research on glass and ceramic materials with special emphasis on study of functional properties like luminescence, electric, magnetic, catalytic sorption, and functionalization of conventional glass with the aim to modify mentioned characteristics and add new functionalities. The special topics matched with respected department you can see in the table. Next, please. So, how could FunGlass be the right way to your success story? In last 8 years, our small group managed to prepare and coordinate projects in amount over 35 million euro through competitive grants, and currently we have 4 active Horizon Europe projects. Next, please. We believe that good proposal starts with a close collaboration between researcher and hosting institution. And there's a reason why we'd like to invite you to visit us in Trenčín to make the story of your proposal clearer. You will get access to senior researchers, to the state-of-art research facilities, and research administrators. We can also provide access to network of attractive secondments, and you can take advantage of the grant proposal services and our project management team with know-how how to prepare and coordinate large multinational research projects is here to help you with your proposal. You could have higher chance of success for proposals with score higher than 85%, you get so-called seal of excellence. But if you are slightly below the cutoff score for funding in MSCA fellowship, you will get the chance to participate in ERA Fellowship Call, funded from the widening program of Horizon Europe for widening countries only. And Slovakia is among these widening countries, so you can use this. Also, the high impact could be the contract extension. The reason is that we are seeking new talents and want to support the full implementation of the project, and we want to maximize its impact. So we can offer a contract extension for 2 years to your MSCA grant. And also we can offer state-of-the-art research infrastructure, which was renewed and inaugurated 2 years ago. More details on equipment you can see on our web page. So then have a look at it. And last but not least, our community is international. Next slide, please. Next. Thank you. Our community is international. We have team members from 16 countries, and women make up 47% of all staff. We have around 70 researchers and administrative staff and around 36 PhD students. Please stay in contact with us, keep in touch. Our contact is on next slide. Thank you. And you can also find more about us on our webpage, fanglass.eu. Thank you very much for this opportunity to present our center. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Natalia. I think the last slide on the international component of your institution was really excellent to see. And I think the audience today is really international across continents. I think you will see that there is a lot of interest as well when they will be getting in touch with you, not just today, but maybe in the future as well. Thank you very much for joining.
Thank you.
I think we will now swiftly move on to Professor Subhada Bopika Mage, who is from the Slovak Medical University, Bratislava. Subhada, the floor is...
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Nishant. And thank you, Christina, for all the practice and everything. So I am myself a supervisor and researcher, and I head the Institute of Laboratory Medicine for the Slovak Medical University. So I will tell you something about the university, about myself also, so about our research. So please, the next slide. Okay, the Slovak Medical University is highly specialized and it's a bit unique. We are involved in national and international activities, and these activities are directly linked to clinical practice, and even the research is related to clinical and applied and also translational research at a professional level. And our university is directly linked to hospitals. So we teach and train, and we teach and train doctors, dentists, secondary healthcare professionals, nurses, X-ray specialists, midwives, paramedics, public health students in the form of undergraduate and postgraduate studies. And we also supervise and train not only medical students, but also natural and biological science students who do MSc and PhD in collaboration with different universities. And we also, these students usually stay on even for postdoc research. The next slide, please. So we are involved in research because we have a specific background. We were once the research institute of the Ministry of Health. So we have an unusual character. We are the only university of the Ministry of Health of the Slovak Republic. So in addition to our in addition to this, our university has specialized personnel. That means we have doctors, nurses, dentists, scientists oriented in biological and natural sciences. It is this complexness which makes our university very competent, and we are experienced in international cooperation with European Union countries and outside the European Union. The next slide, please. So, because I represent and because the positions are open in my institute, we come in under the Faculty of Medicine, and we have a number of national reference centers. So the faculty has different institutes and departments and clinics, and we are the actual research laboratory medicine. Yes, so the national research reference centers, they are related to viral hepatitis, identification of enteric viruses, HIV/AIDS prevention, prion disease, slow viral neuroinfections, and also we have a collection of pathogenic microorganisms. So you can choose to study some specific bacteria. Mainly they have the bacteria, and also for dioxins and related compounds. The next slide, please. So we are, these are the different sections or labs of this institute, and the positions are opened in the enterovirus lab, that is in fact my lab, and in collaboration with the immunology and immunotoxicology lab. So, and of course, we collaborate with each of the other labs in case there is some interest in combined interests that also will be interested in modifying. So can we go to the next slide, please? So what we believe is teaching has to be modified, innovated, and should be upgraded. So we if you want to get some teaching experience, you can do that also, or give some lectures or presentations, which will help you not only the research, but and also which will help you in improving your CV, and also we encourage publications. So our motto is to keep up fast with the modernization of diagnostic techniques, molecular or other methodologies, using methodologies. So this is how we interact. So this is research for some private companies like, let's say, vaccines or pharmacy. We also provide expertise, that is, we do research for them. We are highly involved in teaching, and the national reference centers, they have their specific they have their specific aims. We diagnose or resolve disputed cases. Then also we have preservation of standard stains. If you want to work on some of the stains, of course, you will have to write to me. My mail is at the beginning of this presentation. And also we do epidemiological analysis and development of modern diagnostics. We have a polyclinic, so we do diagnostics also based on insurance basis. So the next slide. These are some pictures of our labs. On the right upside corner, you see the virus, enteroviruses. So we have an animal house. So we are involved in translational medicine. It is at biosafety level 2, 3. So we have the next slide, please. So these are some of the students actual from my lab, and these are some our labs. They are quite modernized. Then the next slide, please. So these are some of the different projects, in fact, my own projects. And you're welcome to write to me or get information from our project department. So you can go through me and you're welcome to Bratislava. The next slide, please. Thank you very much. And thank you for the opportunity. This is the Bratislava Castle. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Subhada, and thank you for indicating your availability to all those who are interested. I see a number of people are raising their hands. I request if you have questions for Subhada, please type on the Q&A. Subhada is with us for some time and she will be able to respond to you in the Q&A writing. So please continue asking this question. This is excellent to see that there is a lot of desire. Now we move on swiftly to two other presentations, and both of them are from Comenius University, but from different departments. The first one is from the Physical Education, Sports and Exercise at Comenius University, and we'll be joined by Miroslava Simiakova.
Thank you. So, dear students and postdoctoral researchers, I would like to introduce to you the opportunity for postdoctoral work at Faculty of Physical Education and Sport, Comenius University in Bratislava. Next slide, please. Slovakia is a beautiful country in the heart of Europe, known for its stunning nature and rich culture. The High Tatras and Carpathian Mountains offer great hiking and also skiing. Historical towns, castles, and traditional villages preserve folk, customs, and crafts. With delicious food and warm hospitality, Slovakia is a memorable destination for any traveler. Next slide, please. Bratislava, the capital city of Slovakia, is a lively city on the Danube River, known for its charming old town, colorful historic buildings, and vibrant atmosphere. Highlights include Bratislava Castle with panoramic views and scenic river promenade lined with cafes and galleries. Next slide, please. The Faculty of Sport Education and Physical Activity prepares highly qualified graduates to contribute to science, culture, sports, and health. It offers full-time programs for future teachers, trainers, and researchers. Students can earn a bachelor's, master's, or PhD in sports sciences, gaining both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. The PhD program emphasizes research, innovation, and collaboration with active academic teams. Next slide, please. Our research explores a wide spectrum of important health challenges, focusing on diverse groups, including pediatric oncology patients, individuals living with multiple sclerosis, patients struggling with obesity, seniors, and even athletes. By addressing such a varied population, we aim to uncover unique insights that can improve quality of life across all ages and conditions. From understanding the complexities of cancer in children to optimizing physical performance in athletes, our work bridges cutting-edge science with the real-world impact, pushing the boundaries of health and wellness research. Next slide, please. Within the scope of these experiments, we have been able to publish numerous interesting and highly regarded studies in recent years. Next slide, please. We offer interdisciplinary research opportunities that integrate microbiome science, clinical studies, nutrition, and exercise physiology to tackle complex health issues. Researchers have access to real-world clinical datasets and cutting-edge labs at Comenius University, the Slovak Academy of Sciences, and partner facilities in Martin. Collaboration with the National Sports Center enable applied performing testing, breeding research, and practice. We maintain strong international ties with institutions across the European Union and the United States of America, including universities in Alabama and Pennsylvania. Comprehensive mentoring, publishing support, and grant writing guidance help research team, all within the vibrant and affordable city of Bratislava. Next slide, please. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to you choosing to be part of our team, because alongside meaningful work, you will also experience plenty of fun. So thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Miroslava. I think the pictures speak 1,000 words for themselves. So it's good that you included them. We could visualize things. Excellent presentation. Staying with Comenius University Bratislava, but now moving to the Ješenius Faculty of Medicine. Please allow me to introduce Katerina Beach. Katerina, the floor is yours.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. Again, it's my pleasure to introduce Comenius University to you and show you the possibilities which my faculty can offer. My name is Katarina Bace. I am a project manager at the Ješenius Faculty of Medicine in Martin. Just to get an overall overview of the location, as you can see on the map and see from the previous presentation, Slovakia is located in Central Europe with a population of more than 5 million inhabitants and with the capital city of Bratislava. The Ješenius Faculty of Medicine is located further north, approximately 250 kilometers northeast of the capital. Next slide, please. In total, Comenius University has 13 faculties and offers the widest selection of study programs at 3 levels of study. My university is also a research institution which supports numerous domestic and international science and research projects. This allows many students and employees to participate in top research activities. The Ješenius Faculty of Medicine offers the possibility to study general medicine, dentistry, and non-medical programs such as nursing, midwifery, and public health. For almost 35 years, international students have the possibility to study general medicine in English. 10 years ago, the faculty opened a new biomedical center equipped with the state-of-the-art technologies. The Biomed Center combines the power of medical science and clinical practice. The newly established National Biobank for Cancer and Rare Diseases helps patients to get better treatment and personalized therapy. And there's much more. Next slide, please. Our faculty is implementing a Horizon Europe project from Digital Europe program. It's called TEF Health, Testing and Experimentation Facility for Health, AI, and Robotics. The consortium consists of 52 partners from 9 countries and supports modern AI programs and the development of robotics in healthcare, experimental development and testing of AI solutions in large and sustainable real environments. Next, please. There is a video. If you can click on the video, it doesn't work. Okay. That's okay. The cardiothrombometabolic group focuses on clinical and translational research. The researchers work on long-term antithrombotic therapy of acute coronary syndrome and atrial fibrillation, diabetes, type 2 obesity, and long-term antithrombotic therapy, diabetes, type 2 related and obesity related chronic heart failures, acute decompensated heart failures, modern echocardiography, and the complex management of obesity patients to prevent cardiovascular complications. Next, please. The research group for translational cancer research focuses on pathogenesis and biology. It identifies the targets for cancer predisposition, early cancer detection, therapy prediction. The methods that are used are NGS, comparative genomic hybridization, droplet PCR, microarray. The main focus of the research is on molecular oncogynecology, breast cancer pathology, molecular pathology of colorectal cancer and gastrointestinal tumors, lung cancer genetics, and genetics of leukemia. Next, please. The lab of proteomics and mitochondriopathies is in the cluster of neurosciences. It analyzes the samples of blood, liquor, tissue from patients with diagnoses such as rare neurological diseases, Parkinson, Alzheimer's disease, and rare muscular disease. The results are processed by computational integrative omics analysis, proteomics, metabolomics, and genomics, which goes in hand with technologies stated. Next, please. The respiratory research excels in advanced surfactant development with a focus of acute lung injury therapies. Preclinical testing in animal models is at the highest level. Through global collaboration, the team is advancing surfactant therapy to develop surfactant preparations with modified protein analogs. And the last slide. I'm very grateful and very happy to be here with you and looking forward and seeing you in Slovakia. Many thanks to all of you.
Thank you very much, Katerina. I think it was very sweet, very short and very clear what you presented.